I'd like to take a moment and shout out to Weasel and his object distributor script. So right now I'm going to do something crazy. These trees showcased in the previous Houdini video are about 75 to 80,000 trees total. And I'm importing placeholders currently, and I'm putting them into transform groups. So this transform group has the source of different broadleaf trees, and the target, or the collection in this case, is all the placeholder locations for the broadleaf trees. I'll do the same for the different spruce trees as well. And make note that all of this is real time. I'm not speeding up anything or pausing or anything. I'm simply going file and import and let it work. So I'm actually quite impressed by how much data GE will allow you to import and work with. So let's get started with broadleaf first. I select the transform group and I've already set it up the way I'd like it. And I click this button to distribute objects. I have made one change to the script. So it does not print all of the data or locations and all that. But I can see here that it's changed 21,000 trees. That's crazy. And it's so fast. All of this is real time. So let's take the spruce, do the same thing here. It will only take a moment. I think this is more like 30,000 maybe. Yeah, the log will tell me soon. And in the end, yeah, 35,000. And in the end, the last spruce type. I mean, this is crazy fast. Even at these numbers, I'm stoked to see how well this actually works. Of course, GE as an editor will crawl to a halt, but wow, look at this. This is just amazing. A little bit sparse in some areas, so I guess the masking method will have to be refined to make sure you get the density you need in certain areas. But overall, I'm quite pleased with how fast and easy this all works out.